Hello all coders, welcome to another video. We're gonna go over escape sequence once again. There's two more I want to cover with you guys, but first today we're gonna do backlash, how to add backlash to the print statement. So let's just type it out so you guys can keep check and we can review later on. Escape sequence for backlash, and all it is this. Okay, so just to print it out, SOUT, or again, if you're not sure, system.out that print line, open bracket. Let's pretend we're writing something. This is an example of backlash. You're gonna type this and this. If you print this, it's going to print one backlash, as you can see, one backlash. If you want to print a second backlash, if you try to run it, it's not going to work. Instead, you need to add another backlash. Remember, the backlash are in pair, right? The escape sequence are in pair. We see it right here. Backlash T. Same thing here is backlash, 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 backlash. That will allow us to print two backlashes, as you can see. If you want to print three, then it will be 6, 8. If you want to print 4, then it will be 8. Hopefully that helped you out. If you are interested in more videos, please like, subscribe, comment, and there are new videos every Monday and Thursday. Have a great day.